Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a tutorial on the nail cakery and doing my toes. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. Okay, so first things first, my aunt gave me this poly gel kit from Amazon, and it got everything in there. Yeah, they got the base coat, top coat. So I utilized that from the kit. The poly gel is a little too hard. They also got the UV lamp. So I'm gonna just utilize that with the nail cakery. Since I already got it, it was free 99. So, and the cake glaze I got is G13. I forgot what it is, but I'll put it on the screen what it is. And it's super cute and pink. First thing first, do not judge my feet. They're ugly, so that's why I'm doing them now. I'll start off with the base coat. And what I do is just apply it to each and every toe. So I'll come back to talk about the next process. Next, I get the UV lamp, put it over there so it can set and dry. I'm just admiring the pink coat. Is super pretty. Look at that, just gorgeous. So I'm gonna apply that next. So I take that off and it's glossy under there, and then I'm gonna start applying the pink coat. This is my first coat that I'm gonna do 2 coats, and then after each coat, I'm gonna use the UV light to dry it. So next, I'm doing the second coat and had to push up the chair because it kept sliding. Oh yeah, I had to do it really like weird way. I had to put it propped on the chair. Normally, I just sit on my couch, but you know, trying to show it for you guys. So applying the second coat and then using the UV lamp for that. I'm not a professional, so gel got everywhere. Yeah. But whatever. All right, so after doing 2 coats of that, I'm gonna add the top coat to it. And then after I apply that, add the UV lamp to it. And yeah. And so now I'm just checking to see they're dry. They look pretty good. I'm gonna do my other foot, and voila. Now I'll put some lotion on because I was a little ashy, but it's super cute, super fun, super easy. I think anybody could do this. And then, you know, yeah, I want to use the nail cakery for my nails, but probably next time. All right, bye. Bye, guys.